D-Up Wonder Eyelid Tape Extra, the perfect item for creating ideal double eyelids. Hello, I'm Zawachin. This is D-Up Wonder Eyelid Tape Extra. With this tape, you can achieve ideal double eyelids quickly and easily. It transforms monolids or hooded eyelids into double eyelids, narrow double eyelids to wider double eyelids, and also lifts up droopy or sagging eyelids. Now, the D-Up Wonder Eyelid Tape Extra is even easier to use. The tape shape has been changed. This new shape can be applied to eyelids easily and adheres firmly up to the edges. Monolids are transformed into defined double eyelids very easily. As the tape strongly holds the crease, double eyelids last all day. Now, let me show you how to use the D-Up Wonder Eyelid Tape. I will demonstrate 3 steps for making double eyelids. Achieve defined eyelids by following these steps. Okay, let's begin. Before applying this tape, use the base of the V-stick tip to find the best crease line. Remember this crease line. Once you find the line, adhere the tape to the V-stick. Tear along the dotted line up to the tape you will be using on the clear sheet. Peel off the white backing of the tape from the center outward. Press both tips of the V-stick against the tape ends. Slowly peel the tape from the right end. Step 1. Now apply the tape on the eyelid. First, pull the eyelid upward using a finger. Curve the tape along the shape of the eyeball. Keep the tape curved and apply the tape on the desired crease line. Step 2. Use the V-stick to make a crease. While lifting the eyelid, be careful not to touch the tape and push in the V-stick against the tape ends toward the eyelid. While pushing in the V-stick, slowly release the finger that is lifting the eyelid. Do not pull out the V-stick immediately. Slowly let go the V-stick from the inner eye corner and then from the outer eye corner by pressing each part of the crease using a finger. Step 3. Lastly, adjust the line to finish. Using the V-stick base, pull the inner and outer eye corners to make a defined crease line. And now it's done! By following these 3 steps, my eyes look so different now. Let's follow the steps again. Now I will create double eyelids on a model with monolids. Watch as I demonstrate slowly. Let's start with the preparation. Wipe off any oil or dirt on the eyelid to make sure it's clean. Find the best crease line. Tuck in the line using the base of the V-stick. The ideal crease line is where you can hold the crease after releasing the stick. Next, I will stick the tape onto the V-stick. Tear along the dotted line on the clear sheet up to the tape you will be using. Peel off the white backing of the tape from the center outward. Press the V-stick tips against the tape ends. Stick the tape on the V-stick with the longer curved side facing outward. Make sure to align the V-stick tips with the tape width. Be careful not to warp the tape. Slowly peel the tape by raising the V-stick from the right end. Now, let's move on to make a double eyelid. Step 1. Apply the tape to the eyelid. First, pull the eyelid upward using a finger. Curve the tape along with the shape of the eyeball. Like this. Keep the tape curved. Apply the tape on the ideal crease line. Once you apply the tape on the eyelid, let go of the V-stick. Step 2. Use the V-stick to make the crease. While lifting the eyelid, be careful not to touch the tape. Push the V-stick against the tape ends toward the eyelid. Keep pushing in the V-stick and slowly release the finger that is lifting the eyelid. Fix the tape by pressing over the crease line from the center, outer, and inner corners of the eye using a finger. Do not pull out the V-stick immediately. Slowly let go the V-stick from the inner eye corner and then from the outer eye corner while pressing each part of the crease using a finger. Step 3. Adjust the line to create a defined double eyelid. To create a defined deep crease, pull the inner and outer eye corners using the V-stick base. Then, fix the tape firmly by pressing the upper part of the eyelid using a finger. Now the ideal double eyelid is complete. I will repeat this process with the other eye. A monolid is transformed into a defined double eyelid in just a minute. Now you can finish the look with eye makeup. Following just 3 steps, you can have such a different look. D-Up Wonder Eyelid Tape can make defined double eyelids so easily. Everyone should try it. D-Up Wonder Eyelid Tape Extra.